There was an enormous bang, and then the plane seemed to fall through the air. Shook about a bit, a lot of clothes and everything fell around. No one knew what had happened at all. It waved about a bit and dropped considerable height, and then we noticed later on that a French fighter plane came up. We eventually got over Cognac, and it landed most amazingly. It's an amazing job by the pilot.
Air traffic control.
Well, it was not the normal procedure, but we were working on it normally. Not normally, but difficulties. And, but in this case, until we arrived to about, like I say in Spanish, at about 100 nautical miles to Nantes, when they request us to reduce, everything was understood for them and for us. And but after that, never they understand our request to turn right. Never. It doesn't mean that it was a quite clear conversation in international aeronautical language, which is the English.
Captain, do you blame the French air controllers for the accident?
I beg your pardon?
Do you blame the French air controllers for the accident?
Well, I think that it's not myself, it's all the pilots in the world, and public opinion too.